Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about this water reflection effect. Uh, so by using this image, we are going to get this output. This one captured by Sushma, and I am going to start editing how I have edited this image. Okay, it is very simple and interesting as well. So let's start it from scratch. I'm starting. This is the initial unedited image. So if you see this image, there are a lot of unwanted things and all there. uh, if suppose if you don't know how to remove these things and all, some people may not be aware of it, so I'm going to explain it, how we can clear this unwanted stuff, everything, and achieve this one. Okay, so here I'm going to choose the lasso tool. Okay, but before choosing the lasso tool, I want to this one to extend. Okay, to extend, why means, see, this is the subject. Okay, I'm going to reflect this subject up to here, so I need lot of space required. Okay, so while capturing this kind of images, before itself, make sure you can take more space. Okay, so that we can no need of additional work in Photoshop. Here I am going to click this one, expand tool, make sure this part, check it, and just drag up to here. I want to drag it. Okay, let's see how it works, and hit enter. Okay, so this is the extend tool has been created. Now I'm going to remove this one. I'm just going to fill content aware. Okay, so sorry, still this part is there, which I don't want. Instead of shadow part, I'm choosing here. I don't want that shadow spot. Okay, fill content aware. Okay, if you see here, some part need to be edit, and here also we need to edit. Repeat the same step again and again. Always use content aware, 100% normal color adoption. While you choose this, here also content aware option is there, but that is different. That is advanced version of content aware. Okay, so just go fill it. Yes, if you go see here, okay, this is the image, we got it. Okay, so see, there are a lot of paper wrinkles are there, and some dust, dirt and all there. See, whenever we do the shoots, there are a lot of footprints, and this paper wrinkles, these are all very common. So how to remove those one, also I'm going to teach here. See, I am telling to the Photoshop, I want to select the subject, I want only this one. So going to select, click the subject. Okay, it selects the subject. Okay, see, it selected the subject, but there are additional some part here it is missing. Why it has been missed means, Photoshop, this color and backdrop color is almost like similar, so it couldn't able to find that. So I'm just adding that part as well. Okay, it's now fill. Okay, but I want to this why I'm selecting the subject means I'm going to invert this selection so that except subject Photoshop need to select except the subject, that means background. So once it has been selected I can edit that. So I'm going to select, I want to expand this, select, modify, expand, because some hair, extra hair, some things and all will be there, so it can be add. Okay, now I am inverting the select. Okay, so when I give this, see, this part only I am going to make it smooth now. Okay, so click again, select this pixel. Okay, filter, noise. Okay, in this median, see when I go for the median, see here, this is the 0 and this is 500. You can see the lot of difference. Okay, if I keep that up to 500, this doesn't look natural. So you have to play around how many points as per wrinkles you have to play around. So what I make it is around 80. I feel it's good. So radius I kept around 80. Okay, see this. This looked natural to me. I want little bit less, around 70. I feel okay. Yeah, 70. It looks good and natural. Okay. Now before and after we are going to check. Okay, this is the before image, this is the after. There are a lot of, see, there are one things and all, there are a lot of difference and this looks very nice. Okay, next what we want to do is, I'm okay for this, I'm merging this one into this by else take this so much background copy extra, I'm going to merge this one into this, control E. Okay, this is the before, this is the after. Okay, now we are going to select the subject again. Now background clearing, everything is done. Now going to the water reflection effect. So I have selected the subject. Okay, and control J, I duplicate the file. You can see this. Okay, click corner, right click, flip vertical. Okay, see, if you see here, see the space is not sufficient yet. Okay, okay, keep it aside. what what I do is, I'm going for this one and extend again little bit more. Click enter. Okay, now complex. Now select the subject again. My system is slow, it happens. Okay, and click this corner and then flip vertical. Okay, now see here, up to here it is. So whenever you are capturing the image, whenever, see this difference is there, see when I keep refreshing, this much of gap is there. Why it happen means, whenever you are going to click the images for water reflection, make sure this area from where you want to make it reflect, make sure this area should parallel. Okay, it should be like equal to, it should be parallel. Okay, and see, but this image, when you check here, but this image, it's not parallel, exactly parallel, it is cross. See, this is like this. So when I reflected this image, it comes like this. Okay. So so keep remember, whenever you are going to capture an images which you want to apply water effect, it should be parallel from here to here. The subject should be in same line. Okay. So I'm going to select this image, layer again, just keep on here. Okay. But I did this, but see, the subject is not exactly parallel. The subject is in cross, like this. The subject, got it? Like this it is. So that doesn't look much professional. Okay. Still, these are like kind of business images. You can see that mirror effect is like we got the mirror effect. Okay. Now what we want is applying the water effect to this layer. We are going to applying the water effect to this layer, and for backup I am taking one more layer. Okay, this is the backup. Okay, I am just hiding this, only one layer is there. Okay, this water effect in Photoshop directly it is not there. How through filter you can apply it any effects, but water reflection effect is not there. There is a ripple effect that is different, but water reflection effect is not there. Okay, so what we need to do is we manually create the water effect and uploading that effect into the Photoshop as a displace. Okay, so once we upload that, the Photoshop will apply that effect to here. Okay. Uh, so there is a website, or there are many websites which helps you to create the water effect. This is the website which I have used it. I'm sharing this link to you guys. From here there is a step 18. If you go step 18, how to create this water effect, here it is, one by step by step it is available here. You just use this one. If in case if you are not able to do it, please message me. uh, I can share my water effect to you so that you can use it. Okay, this is the water effect. Okay, if you see here, it clearly saying the more ripples here, the less ripples here. When you place your camera, capturing the reflection, it looks like this, very natural. Okay, we have created this one. So I'm going here, filter, 1 minute. Yeah, I'm going to here, filter. There is a distort. Okay, there is a displace. I'm clicking this. I'm going to explain what is the horizontal scale and vertical scale. So before that, I'm just putting 50 here, 50 here. Okay, and click OK. I have that water effect. I'm just applying it. The water effect has been applied here, but it is not sufficient. So we are going to apply more. If you click again, the same here in history, the filter effect would be there. If you click it, it directly apply. I want to apply again. So here the problem many people got it. See, it is not looking like exactly what we are expecting. See this image. If I go here, see, this is the water effect, looks good, but when I am applying here, it comes like this. What it is Photoshop is taking is this part. This part it is taking it. So because of this effect has been applied here, so the waves is very large, so we are getting like this. So simply how that works means, I am going here, distort, displace. I am going here, see, horizontal means this side, effect will apply this side. Vertical means scale means effect will apply this side. So I am putting 10 horizontal and 50 vertical. Okay, clicking OK, and clicking this water effect. See, it's applied. The more ripples here, less. I want to apply more. See, these are all like water effect. Same this process only happening here. If I go here, filter, distort, displace, I am not keeping vertical is like 10. If I keep only horizontal 100, same displace effect. See, you got it. Horizontal is getting more effect, but vertical it make it less. So you have to calculate. You have to keep on apply and calculate. So so what the problem here, it is like the water effect is this part it is taking. Okay, so what I do is image rotation 180 degrees. I'm creating opposite of this displacement. Okay, and applying this effect to this one. Got it? So that is what I have saved as a water effect 2. So file open. If I go for water effect 2, see, I have opposite. I made it opposite. Okay, and coming here, I'm going to apply the same. This is the perfect image. Okay, going to the filter, distort, displace. Sorry, going to the filter, distort, displace. I want to make it both 50-50. Okay, click OK. Water effect 2. See the water effect, we got it perfectly, we got it. Okay, but this is the full, this one has been applied full of this layer. Okay, full of this layer it got applied, but what I want to is this face and all here should be the this face and all. I don't want water effect. I personally I felt like that. So this one which I uncheck, hide it. I'm going to unhide this. Okay, and I'm going to create a mask here. Okay, from this mask I'm going to use this gradient tool. Okay, I'm just applying opposite to this. Almost how many percent? 100% I'm going to apply this. See, and going to the filter again, apply the displace. I'm done. And little bit of, sorry, little bit of hand also. In hand also I'm going to remove it. Okay, this is the final output. So very simple. I think we achieved this effect. The final image effect we have achieved it. So this is the water effect. If you still have any doubts, you can ping me anytime. I am sharing the details below link. Thank you guys.